now to join us, of course, the core of Sins of the Father. We have with us our head writer, Sinon Palomares, creative manager, Dindon Perez. Ang pagbabalik ng Action Royalty, Gerald Anderson. Ayan. Thank you so much, Gerald. We will see you there. Okay. So sa lahat po ng friends from the media, please join us dito dahil meron po tayong one big photo op with the entire